Hi, this is Fatima. Today we are going to walk through the features of Simplus monitor. First, in order to see the Simplus monitor and the game manager, you need to press the play button on the Simplpus simulator. In order to change the position of the panels, you can drag the top menu of it and then move it to wherever you want. On the top menu of the Simplpus, you can see 3 buttons. You can use these 3 buttons to change the view of the board. You can use the key provided on the Simplus monitor to manually move the Simplus robot to front, back, right, left, or stop the robot from moving. There is a hot victim in the board, and you can see it in the thermal camera image in light red. You can find the color sensor values of the robot on the Simplus monitor. For example, here the robot is located on the red tile, so the red value of the color sensors are high and the green and blue values are low. The Simplus monitor will also show the proximity sensors values. Here the robot is only close to one ball, so only one of the proximity sensors values is high. Let's turn the robot and see what will happen to values of the proximity sensors. You can see the Simplus monitor also shows us the position and the orientation of the robot in the board. You can change the state of the LED to color red, green, and blue using the Simplus monitor. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. Thanks for watching.